recent years, cryptocurrency has been making waves in the financial world, with many people hailing it as the future of money. But what exactly is cryptocurrency, and why is it seen as the future of money? In this video, we'll discuss the potential of cryptocurrency to replace traditional forms of currency and why it's important for millennials to pay attention to this developing technology. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that operates on a decentralized network, meaning it's not controlled by a central authority. Unlike traditional currencies, which are backed by governments and central banks, cryptocurrency uses encryption and a decentralized ledger called the blockchain to secure and verify transactions. The potential of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency offers several advantages over traditional forms of currency, including speed, security, and borderless transactions. Transactions made using cryptocurrency are processed much faster than traditional bank transfers, and they are secured by encryption in the decentralized network, making them more difficult to hack or steal. Additionally, cryptocurrency can be sent and received from anywhere in the world, making it ideal for international transactions. Another advantage of cryptocurrency is its decentralization. Since it's not controlled by a central authority, users have more control over their finances and privacy. This is particularly attractive to millennials who value privacy and control in their financial transactions. Why cryptocurrency is the future of money? Cryptocurrency is seen as the future of money because it has the potential to revolutionize the way we conduct financial transactions. With its fast processing times, enhanced security, and decentralized nature, cryptocurrency offers a glimpse into a future where traditional forms of currency are no longer necessary. In addition, the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, and the increasing adoption of cryptocurrency is further evidence of its potential to replace traditional forms of currency. Decentralized finance allows users to access financial services without the need for a traditional bank, making it easier for people to manage their finances and make investments. Final thoughts. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is an exciting and rapidly evolving technology that has the potential to change the way we think about money. While it may be a little intimidating at first, it's important for millennials to understand the basics and pay attention to its potential benefits. Whether it's used for everyday transactions or as an investment opportunity, cryptocurrency is a technology that is worth exploring and considering for your financial future. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay informed on crypto.